So for today's video, I have Lenovo ThinkCentre M-Series i5 2nd Gen. So looking at the case, very simple with Windows 7, yung original na OS nito with Energy Star Lenovo with Intel Inside 2nd Gen Core i5. Yung pagbukas nito, may naka-indicate na siya na L at dito yung bilog. So kailangan mo ng pusher. Bago mo yan i-push, i-slide mo muna siya dito at ibubukas muna siya. So nabukas ko na to kanina, okay na yan. So looking at the motherboard, it is MicroATX CPU fan cooler, 4-pin, 4 slot of RAM, CMOS battery, 24-pin from the power supply, 4-pin CPU power from the power supply. Front audio, yung orange na yan, not standard. So ito yung front audio, as you can see. The front USB, dalawa yan, not standard. Here is it, the front USB, not standard. This is the system fan, 4-pin standard, 4 SATA. So you can install 4 SSD or 4 HDD, it depends your preferences. So looking at the motherboard at the back, so yung I/O shell nito is baka naka-attach talaga dito sa case. So wala tayong I/O shell kung ililipat natin to sa bagong case. Just click this. Ayan. As you can see. Careful, this is plastic. And this is the sensor that I've been talking about. Push muna natin dito. Ito siya. So ito siya na green na sinasabi ko. Dito yan nakakonect. Kapag wala ito, to turbo speed to lahat. So very important. So yung gagawin ko ngayon, tatanggalin tong motherboard at ililipat sa bagong casing. So dito natin sisimulan. So ayan, natanggal na yung first screw. Second screw. So ayan, natanggalan natin siya. Third screw. Ayan, okay na. Pang-apat na screw. Ayan, okay na yan. Pang-limang screw. Ayan, okay na. 6 screw. Ayan, tanggal na. Last but the least, ito siya. .24-pin as you can see. And the most important part, the CPU fan cooler. So fresh pa yung thermal paste nito. So no need to reapply again the thermal paste. And I will remove this. This is the 4-pin CPU fan PWM as you can see. So this part is removing the system fan. And this one is the sensor, so we need to remove this carefully. But before that, we need to remove this. This is the system fan, the speaker, and this is the latch. So this is the clip of the sensor. As you can see, tanggalin natin siya. Ito siya. Yan yung sensor. So we put it right there. And we're ready to go. Now we actually remove the motherboard. This motherboard is LGA 1155, not 1151, but 1155. i5 2400 from Intel. Lenovo. Now it has a backplate built in. So pwedeng ito sa mga standard na cooler kasi 4-pin PWM standard siya. Hindi kagaya ni Dell at saka HP, hindi siya standard at yung backplate niya is naka-fix sa case. Ito may included siyang backplate. Ayos na ayos. Here is it, the CPU fan. So again, ibalik na natin to ng CPU fan cooler. So ayan, okay na yan. We need this SATA cable and the sensor and the system fan. That's all. As you can see, wala tong I/O shield dito sa back. Kasi yung original nitong I/O shield is nasa case na talaga siya, nakapix yung bakal dito. Okay? That's not a big deal. Alright, so nilipat ko na siya dito sa Implemata A200 case Black Edition. Lenovo system fan, 4-pin. Yung front USB dito, as you can see, may pasobra pang dalawa. Hinanap ko pa kung saan siya pwede i-plug. So dito siya pwede i-plug. As you can see, hindi ito standard na front USB. So careful lang kapag maglilipat ka ng mga OEM na motherboard. Kailangan hanapin mo yung ground kung saan siya na part para gumana yung front USB. Ito siya, itong sinasabi ko, 1 and 2. Yung USB 3.0 wala, hindi ito gagana. Front audio, ikis to kasi as you can see, hindi rin ito standard. So wala. So for now, ito-test muna natin to. The most important part, the temperature sensor is inside here in the fan. So kapag hindi ito naka-plug in at hindi rin ito nasa loob na temperature sensor, magto-turbo speed yung fan at nakalabas lang yung sensor dito, hindi niya madidetect yung hangin. So turbo speed at saka airplane mode yung tema nito. So loud PC yung kakalabasan. So for now, yung power switch, ayan. So yung reset switch at saka HD LED, hindi ko pa nahanap. So inuna ko muna yung power switch for testing purposes right now. Okay, nakasaksak na. Power on. As you can see, normal yung speed ng fan at wala tong turbo mode. Hindi kagaya ng mga nasa soft case na gina-give up nilang. So kailangan yung pag-aralan yung mga gagawin nyo dito. Okay? So let's find out if this front USB right here is working. So as you can see, nagcha-charge siya 86%. So dito na USB 3.0 at audio jack and reset switch, except for LED switch, hindi ko naman to pwede i-plug sa motherboard. Wala. Bawal yan. This will work for the hub of the controller of your fan. Okay, so let's test into the monitor and see it will get a display or not. Everything's ready in the mouse. Let's go. Yan. So with design. Wala yan. Thanks Central. Ayan, Windows 11. Straight boot. Ayan, nakikita nyo, Windows 11 siya. And if we look into settings, and about PC, ayan siya. Intel Core i5 2400 8GB of RAM on Windows 11 Pro. So it has 256GB of SSD and 1TB of hard drive. So if we press power off, no, it's not working because the front panel is different. It has 10 pin I think or 12 na pinakita ko sa video. So yung pag power off nito, Alt and F4, ayan, i-click shutdown. So wait natin for a few seconds. Ayan, ganun lang yung paggamit niya. So naglagay ako ng Wi-Fi dongle dito. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung maliit na yan. Kasi gumagala yung front USB niya, 1 and 2. So I will prove it to you na gumagana ito. Alright, nakasaksak na siya. So ipa-plug ko muna yung Type-C ito sa aking phone na isa. So ayan, gumana siya, 76%. Dito din detect siya, Redmi Note 60. And the very important part, do not forget the temperature sensor and put it inside the case. So para ma-detect niya yung hangin through the fans. Kung hindi niya ito ma-detect, magto-turbo speed yung fan at magla-loud PC yung tema ng ating ginagawa ngayon. So yan yung pinaka-feature sa hardware ni Lenovo ThinkCenter. Okay, kapag magsa-softcase ka ng ganito, be careful lang sa mga pins, lalo na yung front USB at front audio. Ito dito, hindi ko ito magamit na front audio jack and microphone. So sabak lang yung pwede gamitin. Ito na speaker, nasabak yung port niya, pwede natin ito magamit at i-plug in doon. So that's all. And thank you.